Welcome to this website builder tutorial. We're going to show you within the Webeden platform how to edit text, edit titles, add new text boxes, add new titles, and move elements on the page around. So it's very simple. Here we are. We're looking at a draft site that we created previously. I just click on the page here. And as I move my mouse over different elements on the page that are titles or text boxes, you'll see they highlight. So here we're going to change. I don't want this to be called features anymore. I want this to be called latest products. So what I've done is I've actually clicked within the box itself, and the cursor is highlighted. And then I would just use my keyboard to change this to new services. Once I'm happy with the change, I just click yes, and that change will appear there. Now here we've got some text. Once again, I can change this. I can add to it. It will automatically populate the text into this field. I can write as much or as little as I like, and additional lines will appear. So you just use it's very similar to Word, really. Now, if I wanted to actually change the font that I'm using, I just click here and choose the font. Actually, first of all, I need to highlight and then change to Arial. Or let's change to something a bit more dramatic. There we go. So this is very easy to edit. All of the text, all of the titles on the page can be moved around like that. So it may be that I want to move the position of a row which has text and titles within it. So if I hover here over this row and highlight it, you can see the whole row is then highlighted. And here what I can do is I can actually move that row down below the next row. So let me just make that change again, but this time I will move it up. So it's easy to move blocks of information around. It's easy to edit the text. What I could also do, if I so desired, is add in text boxes. So the way I would do that is I would click on widgets. You'll see here I've got text as an option. Now, basically, I click on this text box, and I'm going to drag that text box over to the website. And as I move it around with my finger on the mouse, it will give me an option to place the text box on the page. So I'm going to put that text box here below new services. And now, once again, I can edit the text easily to suit my needs. So that should all make perfect sense. If I want to actually centralize that text, I've got different alignment options here. I can align left, I can align right, I can move the text throughout the whole box, or I can centralize. So hopefully that will show you how easy it is to make text edits in Webeden.